Our focus this minute on the ED having conducted raids at Sena MLA Pratap Sarnaik's residence. This is in connection to a money laundering case. The MLA's son, Vihang Sarnaik, has now been taken in by the ED for questioning. He has been detained after the raid at the residence just concluded and the ED team has left from Pratap Sarnaik's residence. Priyanka, my colleague, and Yesha as well, joining us from the site where the raid was conducted. Priyanka, if I can come to you first, because ED is yet to put out more details or how we can gather from our sources on what are the charges in the money laundering case and what is it that the ED is suspecting. But can you tell us more about the raids that were conducted, 10 locations and all that were raided by the ED, and most importantly, Pratap Sarnaik's son, who has been detained by the ED?
Well, yes, we are reporting from one such location, which is Top Securities here in Thane. In fact, we'd like to show you the visuals. There's a 5-member team of the ED as well that has gone inside. And of course, the raid has been going on in several places across 10 locations across Mumbai and Thane. And like you very rightly said, Vihang Sarnaik has also been detained for questioning in the apparent alleged money laundering case. What we have gotten to know from the sources, the primary information that we have gotten to know from the ED officers is that they have said that the money laundering case and a notice had also been sent to this particular firm 6 months back, and also that there had been a non-payment of wages as well to laborers in this particular company. And also, apart from that, the money laundering might go as high as 200 crores is the primary figure, the primary information. Of course, no official statement has been given out by the ED as of now, but this is one particular location in Thane, Top Securities firm, where in fact the raid is still underway. The officers of the Enforcement Directorate are still inside. The 5-member team are still inside, and of course, simultaneously there are several other locations where this raid is going on, and the amount is yet to be officially declared by the ED as to what the money laundering case really was. But as of now, primarily, according to our sources in the ED, what they have told us is it might go as high as 200 crores, and of course, the raids in across these 10 locations are underway as of now.
All right, Priyanka, stay on with us. Anuj and Yesha are also with us on the broadcast. Anuj, I want to come to you to get an understanding of the other locations that have been raided, 10 in all. And Priyanka showed us one such location. What are the others?
Well, exactly, since from the very morning what we have been told today, and it was like the preparation started from the ED office itself. And now from where I am reporting, this is Navi Mumbai, and let me give you the sense and let me give you the visuals also. This is the premises of the Top Security, and here also this was in the list, but at this point in time the ED officials are not here, what we have been told, but this was in the list what we were told. So there is to wait and watch what exactly will be the other locations, but what we have been told that this is almost around 10 locations, including Mumbai and Thane, where the raid at this point in time continues. Whereas we also have been told that since from the very morning ED was prepared for the raids. There at the ED office, the CRPF were called in and the preparation was done from the ED office. Then in the different cars, they left for the different locations. At this point in time, reporting from Navi Mumbai. And this is, yes, as we are pointing it out, in the money laundering case that the wages were not given. There was some ups and downs in the finances. That's something what ED is looking into. But when we talk about the outcome, then we have to wait and watch at this point in time what exactly will be given by ED, because what we have been told that at this point in time the searches are underway, the raids are underway, the papers has been collected, they are looking into the documents, what exactly are the relation, what exactly are the financial things. So we have to wait for the ED at this point in time what exactly they are going to come out with. But at this point in time the raids are underway at around 10 locations in Mumbai and Thane. Yes.
And I want to come to you now, Yesha, because you are outside Pratap Sarnaik's residence where raids have been ongoing since morning. And it concluded just a short while ago when the ED team left. and Vihang Sarnaik has also been detained for questioning. If you could give us a sense of what has been happening since morning at their residence.
So this morning at around 5 a.m. was when the ED teams had gathered outside the ED office at Balatpur. Following which around 6 a.m. was when these 10 teams left for these 10 locations across Mumbai and Thane. One of this was Pratap Sarnaik's son Vihang's house at Thane. This is the place at 23rd floor was where the raids were conducted this morning. Just around 15-20 minutes back was when the raids got over. There were a team of around 3 to 4 people from the ED office who had come here, raided the place. They left from here with some documents in their hand. Also, there were around, say, 8 to 10 CRPF personnel also who were right outside this particular gate that you can see right now. 15-20 minutes back, when they left with Vihang Sarnaik, the entire team has left from here. What looks like as of now at this particular location is that the raid seems to be over because Vihang Sarnaik has been taken by the ED in their car to the ED office at Balatpur. What we got to know from our sources was he could have possibly been taken to the ED office at Balatpur because in the top security agency, which the Sarnaiks are possibly a partner at, they will try to understand the further links and the entire transaction. Like it's been mentioned earlier that there could be a alleged 200 crore money laundering. So taking Vihang Sarnaik there, they will try and understand from him as to what transpired and what are the entire connection, the money laundering angle to it. Also, this team had been preparing since morning. Like we know, there are raids being carried out at Andheri as well as various other locations in Mumbai and possibly at Pratap Sarnaik's another office at Thane as well. Over to you, Suresha.
All right, Yesha, Priyanka and Anuj, thank you for joining us. Political heat is mounting as the Shiv Sena is now calling this a conspiracy. We'll play out those political reactions as well, but for the moment we move on.